Hello everyone, this is my project HR Chatbot. This chatbot helps us to get solution of queries related to HR policies. Basically, this chatbot is trained on hundreds of HR policies. So if we have any query related to HR policies and if we ask to this chatbot, it will surely help us with the correct answer. HR chatbot uses modern advancement in AI by three things. Number one, RAG, retrieval augmented generation. RAG is a hybrid model that combines retrieval based and generative approach of answering questions. Number two is LangChain. LangChain is a framework designed to facilitate large language models application by chaining together different components like prompt, model, and APIs. Number three, the last one, vector database. A vector database stores the documents in vectorized form, which means it converts textual context into higher dimension vectors that capture semantic meanings. So, for example, if I ask, explain me the onboarding process, so let's see what answer it is generating. So it's not in detail, so let me ask for more detail. Explain it in detail. So let's see what it is going to give us. Still not satisfied. So let me ask, explain it in step by step. Yes, cool. So it's running fine. So by this demonstration, I want to show you that it has an access to its chat history. It uses its chat history whenever it is needed.